Go ahead, Bree. Where are we going?
Beach.
Tristan, good morning.
Good morning. I'm not fully awake yet.
Good morning from New Smyrna Beach. Declan hasn't been in a while, as you can tell.
I don't like
Gotta figure out the sandbar.
I don't like this.
Yes, you do. Hi, Bree.
Let's just sit down right now.
Brianna, sit with your brothers.
How you doing? Don't throw sand.
It's a sandbar.
Mom, watch this. It's hard when you hold it tight, and when you let it go, it's soft.
Yeah. Declan.
Hello, little one. Hello, little one.
Yeah, this is where he wants to stand. Hey, that's just awful. Alright, hang on. I'm going to test to see when it starts to get deep. Hi.
Hi. Okay, this is not how you use a boogie
The
board.
Navy has to attack Declan.
Okay, let's attack that one.
Oh, I fell off.
I'm so down.
See if you can stand up on it.
That one.
I'm the last star.
Hi.
Hi. Kristen, you know how to propel your board? Come on, teach how to propel your board. You don't do that. Propellation.
What a
Can I show
toddler.
you something cool?
Declan, get in.
Wash off.
Hi, baby. He wants to go to the water.
Put him in here.
Declan, come here. This is how to tell that you had a good day at the beach. Aiden's back there, and he's passed out too. And Tristan just chilling. Hi, babe. Yep. Alrighty, we just got home from the beach, and it's time to get the house cleaned up and set up because I have my dad and my brother coming over, and we're going to have a little family dinner.
Uncle Bubble coming.
Uncle Babo's coming here, and we're gonna have dinner for Father's Day. So,
Mommy,
yes, baby.
Uncle Bubble and the Dan coming here.
Yes, Uncle Babo and Aunt Jen are coming. So for now, we're gonna go ahead and tell you guys good night, and then we'll see you next time. But if you like videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you can be with us all summer and see everything we do with the kids. And other than that, good night.